गोळे वखदा विरोधी पंगडान एका नायजेरियन चेडवाक म्हापशेच्यान अटक करून ताचे कडल्यान 15 लाखांची गोळी वखदा जप्त केल्यात। ते भायर ताचे कडेन 10,000चो गांजोय सापडला।
हे नायजेरियन चेडू बेंगळुरूच्यान बशीन गोंया येताले। म्हापशा ग्रीन पार्क हॉटेला कडेन बस थांबली तेन्ना गोळी वखदा विरोधी पंगडान ताका ताब्यात घेतले। फेथ चिमेरी अशें त्या चेडवाचें नांव आसा।
Conducting lot of raids and it has busted a large number of drug cartels in Goa, and in continuation of this we have achieved a major success on 14 when a raid was conducted and we have arrested one African national by the name of Faith, who's 24 years old. She was arrested from near Green Park Hotel in Mapsa, near this bus stand which is at Mapsa, and from her possession we were able to find 150 grams of amphetamine and another 100 grams of ganja. The total worth of this drug is estimated to be around 15 lakh rupees in the international market. We believe that this model, this lady was a very important link in supplying drugs in Goa, and by catching her we've been able to disrupt this supply chain through which drugs were coming into Goa. In this, a case has been registered in the Anti-Narcotic Cell Police Station. Investigations are ongoing. We are working on both backward and forward linkages to see who are the buyers and who are the suppliers who are linked to this lady, and as soon जैसे ही इसके बारे में और जानकारी हमें मिलेगी हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे।
महत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार हे चेडू स्टुडंट व्हिजाचेर भारतात आयिल्ले खंय। ताणें लखनौ विद्यापीठात ऍडमिशन घेतिल्लें, पूण ते शिकपा खातीर विद्यापीठात वचूकच ना। हे चेडू नायजेरियाच्यान दिल्ली आयले, थंयच्यान ते बेंगळूर पावले आनी बेंगळुरूच्यान गोळी वखदा घेवन ती विकपा खातीर ते गोंया आयिल्ल्याचें कळटा।
But we are checking with Bangalore police because she was coming from Bangalore. जो इन्होंने इनिशियल अपनी इंटेरोगेशन में बताया, ये बताया कि वो बैंगलोर से बस के ज़रिए गोवा के अंदर इसको लेके आ रही थी। तो वो बैंगलोर पुलिस के साथ, कर्नाटका पुलिस के साथ वी आर इन टच. We are trying to get details about all these things, but so far we have not found any case registered against her. इसमें मैं एक ये जानकारी दे देता हूँ कि she is a Nigerian national who came to India on a student visa in 2022. Initially she had come to Delhi and she had taken the visa stating that she wants to pursue her studies in Lucknow University. But she's revealed that she did not join the program. Instead she went to Bangalore, and in Bangalore she started working and doing all kinds of activities. And तो अभी तक की जो जानकारी मिली है वो यहाँ तक।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीवी।